Today I'm gonna share my version of the Camel coffee. Camel Coffee is a super popular coffee brand in Korea that recently opened their first location in Los Angeles. And as expected, the lines can get pretty long. So I'm sharing my version of their signature Camel Coffee for you to enjoy anytime at home. First, we need to make a delicious cream, and this is key. 18 grams of cane sugar, 6 grams of vanilla syrup, 0.1 gram of salt, 180 grams of organic heavy cream. Start whipping it slow to mix everything and speed it up slowly. Once you reach max speed, you want to whip it for a while until you get a texture that you want. And always slow down at the end to settle the cream for at least a minute. I'm going to prep the espresso first and then add 100 grams of organic whole milk, 6 grams of butterscotch syrup, ice, 40 grams of our house-made cream. Drop the espresso directly into the cup for this beautiful cascade effect. Then finish up with some more cream and enjoy my version of the Camel coffee.